This is my makeup, which I have in my bathroom in 2021. Right now is 2022, and I didn't see this thing for the last 10 months. So, what I'm gonna do? Go over it, tell you what's good, what's bad, what I will repurchase or throw it away. As you saw in the intro, in here I have many different items which were in my bathroom while I was gone. So obviously some of them I should throw it away, especially if they concern eyes. Let's say if it's like something in a tube, I can still use it, or something in a powder. But without further ado, I'm gonna start. Just put this one down so I can see it, make it easier for me. Now the first item is the Wet n Wild powder. That's their PhotoFocus translucent powder, which I'm gonna keep it because I only use it a few times, and also it's a powder, so obviously it's not gonna go bad. The nice thing about it, this product, it's like a miracle. It will gives you like a airbrush effect, and I do like it. Then the next item, it's a small palette from Estee Lauder, pure color eyeshadow. This one was in one of their purchases with purchases. I think I only used a few times, and also it's a powder product, so obviously it's not gonna go bad. So yes, I'm gonna keep it. Then we have another palette. This one is from LORAC, Returning Chroma's eyeshadow palette, and the little plastic just fell out. This, it's like my to-go palette while I travel because it has neutrals and I can create a simple looks. Just put the little plastic bag. What else is in here? Oh, this was TikTok inspired purchase. Is the e.l.f. blush and highlight in color Guava. The blush is really pigmented, same as, not the blush, the highlight, same as the blush. So yes, you do getting a nice, what is the tissue, and both give you a nice pigmentation. So if you are on a budget but you want to refresh your makeup, this one, it's worth looking into it, and they come in different shades. So far we have the powder, which I'm keeping. We have two palettes, which yes, I'm gonna keep, and then the little duo from e.l.f. Then let's stick with the pencils. First one is the lip liner from Maybelline, color Sensational in magnetic mauve. I do remember that before I left, I did enjoy this product because the color was beautiful and it glides smoothly. And I was planning on buying more shades because yes, I did like it. Then still from Maybelline, we have their Precision Skinny Gel Pencil in black. And whew, I thought it was empty, but there's still a little bit left. And yes, it is a skinny pencil, so it's perfect for your waterline, or if you want to do a thin eyeliner on your top lid. MILANI Stay Put Waterproof Eyeliner in black. I know I did like this one, and I think this is even a dupe for the Urban Decay 24/7 liners. What we have here? Laura Mercier lip liner in baby lips. Come on. All right. So for example, those products, the one in the pencils, I can still use them as long as I'm gonna disinfect them, and then I can start using them again. Then we have from L'Oreal Brow Stylist Boost and Set Volumizing Brow Mascara. I do like this product. I use it many times. It comes with a little brush. So yeah, I'm like, it goes on the brow, so I'm gonna keep it. Then we have eyeshadows from, I think it's Mina. Cream eyeshadow in 532. This was, this came in the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar. I know I enjoyed the shade. However, when I was trying to pick it up, I can feel it's not as creamy as it used to. So I'm gonna give a try, and we will see, but possible I'm gonna declutter it. And it's kind of shame because it is a pretty color, and that's one sad thing about the cream products. They go bad way faster than the powders. From Misha, I have their BB cream in number 23. This one, it's almost over, but it comes in a pump, so I'm gonna keep it. From, oh, Soap and Glory, we have their Kick Butt Foundation, which I do like it. I think this is my second or third bottle. I'm gonna keep it, especially that it comes with a pump and the air didn't get to it. This is good. Okay, this is stay in place makeup. It will not transfer, and even if you have oily skin, you can wear it. Then what we have here from not Soap and Glory, from Hard Candy, I have the Glamour Flash full coverage foundation, 16-hour wear. I will see how it goes. Obviously, I didn't use it too much. I say I will see because it comes with a doe foot applicator. It doesn't smell weirdly, so yeah, I'm gonna give it a try, but for right now, I'm gonna keep it. Then again from Soap and Glory, we have their one heck of a blood primer matte spheres. So that's a primer which, okay, if you're shiny, it's gonna mattify it, but also if you're not, if you wanna stay, okay, if you don't wanna shine, stay matte, that's what this primer do. And similarly as with the foundation, because it comes in a tube, I'm gonna keep it. And yes, so far I'm not doing a good job, except maybe the eyeshadows. But let's keep going. We have not primer, lasting fix makeup setting spray up to 16-hour matte finish. Obviously, I'm gonna keep it because again, it's in a spray and the bottle is full. And now that's what we have left. So I'm gonna go over it. We have eyelash color from Elf. The Revlon Skin Lights highlight, which I did enjoy it, and if you see it, it's worth picking up. The product, it does gives you a punch, and it's worth trying, buying, and keep using it. Then from the same line, I have the bronzer, and yes, it comes in a nice pretty design. I even make a separate video about the Revlon products, so I can easily link it to it in case if you want a more in-depth review. Maxi Blush from Rimmel in Sweet Cheeks. I do like their blushes. It's one of those underrated products at the drugstore, which you don't even realize how good it is. But I do like it, and I think I've even purchased another shade. But yes, I'm gonna keep it. Then, sticking with Rimmel, I have their Stay Matte Powder, which is a classic you cannot really go wrong with. And you can even see it that I hit the pan on it. Then from Neutrogena, I have their eyeshadow in Toasted Eggshell. I do enjoy Neutrogena eyeshadow. The shame is that you cannot buy them in the drugstore anymore. So I purchased at least 4 or 5 on their website because I did like it. But they are awesome because they give a punch and they're very pigmented. I don't know if they still make them, but if you do see them, it's worth snatching them up. The similar shade, it's from Wet n Wild, not Nutty, Toasted Eggshell. Yeah, I think that's what it is. It just comes in a smaller pan, but it's almost similar shade. Then let's get back to the fun stuff. From Maybelline, I have their Super Stay Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer in Fur 10. I know this product were having a cult following. I bought it, but because I don't remember if it was drying or because I have it for too long, I'm gonna part my way with it. Sticking with the concealer, I have one from L'Oreal. That's their Age Perfect Redden Concealer, and I know I did like it. It's like a medium coverage concealer, but it also hydrates. Because it's for the eyes, I'm not gonna risk it and I'm gonna get rid of it. However, I will repurchase because I remember that I used to like this product. I clean my forearm, so now we can go back. And next item is e.l.f. the Instant Lift Brow Pencil, which, as the name says, the brow pencil. So you have spoolie on one side, pencil on the other. This is for the brows. Obviously, it didn't dry out, so I'm gonna keep it. But it's a neat drugstore item which does its job. Then from Essence, I have their Volume Boost Lash Primer with Superfruits. So what is it? It's a white primer which you're gonna apply it before your mascara. However, you have to be careful not to put too much, because this product be open for over 10 months. I was about to say 10 years. Because this product was open for over 10 months, I'm gonna get rid of it, because I don't want to put nothing around my eyes which been open for so long. And obviously you're supposed to throw out my mascaras between 3 to 6 months, if not earlier. But either way, so this is out. Then another TikTok inspired product is the Neutrogena something volume, and this is supposed to be a dupe for the Dior Show mascara, which comes with a huge brush. If you're familiar with the other mascara, it's gonna, within few strokes, it's gonna give you a lot of volume and your lashes will look awesome. Because I never tried the Dior Show, I decided to try this one, and as a mascara it's nice. However, because the brush is so big, I'm ending up with mascara on my lids, and because of that reason I will not repurchase, but it is a nice product. Then from L'Oreal, I have their Serum Tint, which you can use it many ways. I just use it as a highlight because it gives you that nice glow, and it's in 802 Rose. Here we go. So technically it's a light, it's a gentle candle light glow highlight. Okay, from ELF, I have their Camo Concealer in the hydrating version, satin finish, and similarly as with the other concealers. Oh, so this product has a cult following, but because you put this around your eyes, I'm gonna get rid of it. And it's ELF's. It's only what, $3 or $6, so I can easily repurchase. It's not such a big deal. From Essence, I have their eyeshadow base. I don't know what shade. It just says base. So if you really want, you can just use it as a base or as a shadow itself. It's a little bit sticky, but obviously once it's dry, your eyeshadow is gonna be more pigmented. And I'm gonna get rid of it. It's not that I don't like the product, it's just I don't want to put this around my eyes because it's been open for so long. Then I have eyeshadow from Laura Mercier, that's the Caviar Stick in Rose Gold. I don't know what it's about, Laura Mercier shades, or should say eyeshadow stick, but they stay same way, or I should say they stay wet for a long time. What I mean by it, let's say like the one in a pot, it already dry out. But this one, it's still wet, and I can keep using and using and using because of the ingredients which were put into it. So yes, I'm gonna keep this one. Then from L'Oreal, I have their Color Rich Balm with SPF 15. That's one of their old versions. This one, it's already empty, or you'd say maybe there's a little bit left. But I'm gonna get rid of it because it's older formula, and also it's almost empty, so there is no point of me keeping it. I have 4 items left. The first one, it's the primer from Revlon, Perfecting Smoothing Makeup Skincare Primer. I used to like their Color Stay Primer, but they discontinue, so I was looking for the alternative. I think it was the closest one. I'm not sure, but I think I bought it right before I left, and the bottle, it's still full, plus it comes with a pump, so obviously I'm gonna keep it. And by the way, if you're curious, on my eyes I have the Profusion palette in Classics. I'm trying this palette out so I can make a video about it. And also, where are you? The new mascara from Revlon. Wherever you are.
2 hours
trying
later.
The new mascara from Revlon. That's their wide eye eyeshadows. No, wide so fierce, eyes wide open. And so far, I like it. Either way, let's go back to the subject. So in here, I have Hard Candy Primer. This is like a dupe for the Milk Makeup Grippy Primer. Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer. And similarly, it comes in a light green shade. And what it's supposed to do, if you have dry skin, it's gonna grip to your foundation, which will make the foundation stay longer. I think I did like it. Either way, it comes in a tube, so obviously I'm gonna keep it. Then 2 more items left. The first one is Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara from Estee. As the name says, yes, it will give you a volume. However, because it's mascara and it goes close to your eyes, I'm gonna get rid of it. And then I have from Rimmel Wonderful Brow Mascara with Fibers. And I think comes with brown in a bright shade, brown shade. Yes, it does. For right now, I'm gonna keep it because it goes, because you apply it on the brows. I'm decluttering 9 items, from which 1 I'm gonna repurchase, and that will be the Age Perfect Radiant Concealer from L'Oreal, because I did enjoy the product, and the rest of the items I'm gonna keep using and put them into my regular use. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I see you next time. Bye.